Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the T-shaped ball splitter by the Bonus collection. So let's get started. So this is the T-shaped ball splitter itself. So this is a very unique ball splitter, and you can enjoy unique sensations when using it. As you can see, it is adjustable, so it's very simple and easy to use. Simply using the clip fasteners, they clip into place, and you can decide for yourself how tight you want it. Very simple and easy to do. Now this ball splitter separates the balls from each other for a pulling, pinching sensation. The material is made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable during use. You can discover the best way to use this ball splitter and of course enjoy it. The material is also slightly stretchy for the perfect fit. Now, when using this T-shaped ball splitter, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean the ball splitter after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the T-shaped ball splitter by the Bonus collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.